Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name is Karen. I'm here today with Leo.
Hello.
We are here to bring you our brand new creative make. This one's called Spectacular Stackables. So, Spectacular Stackables. So as we know with the creative make, you've got that smaller die set, so that smaller price point as well. But you do tend to have a little bit more cutting, I think.
Yes.
That's what we have to give.
There's a trade-off, basically. Yeah. If we're not giving you as much metal, then yes, you are going to have to cut multiples of things. So, little die set. So just under 6x6 for this one. 21 dies though, so quite a lot of dies going on in this.
This is a Toby again.
It is.
So it is a clever box.
It is.
So it hasn't got a mechanism as such,
No.
but it's cleverly put together. It's not just your run-of-the-mill square box. It is quite interesting.
It is. So lots of dies in here. You do have full instructions in your pack as well as always, so that you know how to put it together. Quite pretty patterns on this as well. So we've got this lovely, almost reminds me of like a thistle, I think, because it's got the trellis at the top. It kind of gives you that thistly vibe.
Nice.
Do you know what I mean?
Very nice.
And then you've got some deboss as well with this.
Yes, I liked the deboss on this
Me
one.
too.
I used that on my one, I think.
And then you've got this little like trellis pattern to go in the side. So you've got either a deboss or the trellis that you can put into the side piece there. A little piece on top, again, more of that sort of trellis pattern. So it doesn't really look like a lot from the die set, honestly.
It does not. But it is, once you stack your stackables,
yes,
it is spectacular.
Let's show the spectacularly stacked stackables.
Okay, so this is your, it's too big for the camera. This is your packaging.
Do you know what? I'm going to separate it.
I was going to say that. Do you want to take them off?
Whoop, there we go.
So you have got, Al's made this one, overachieving again. She's done 6 of the stackables and she's made a lovely rainbow set there.
So you've got a little lid that just sits into the top.
So you can see that this is where you glue your side pieces on. And they get covered then by this panel.
So that's the singular.
A singular stackable.
Yeah, indeed.
Not actually a stackable then, is it?
No. Well, it is still stackable. It's just not stacked. But you could obviously, I mean, the possibilities of gifting with something like this, multiple layers of gifts.
Do you know what I wanted to do with this? And we didn't do it in time for photography.
Oh, separate Skittles into it.
Yeah.
Like we even bought the Skittles and then they didn't actually get separated. You can actually see on the packaging it's still all together.
Yeah.
And it made us very sad. We wanted to separate those into their coloured layers. So we thought of you. It didn't happen.
It just did not. It did not happen. We were obviously not there when they were taking the photos.
No, indeed. But yeah, I think, lots of smaller gifts into this. And, depending on how good someone has been.
Different sweeties and things.
They could have just 1 layer or they could have 6 layers, Have you been good enough for 6 layers? No.
Who knows?
You just get 1. But yeah, a lovely little gift box. Fairly simple to put together as well, which is always nice with this. Like I said, a little bit more cutting involved, but to stack them, you just pop the points of 1 into those little...
Is your front in? Your front is in. So your front needs to
this bit, yes. There we go, hold on.
The front needs to be out.
That bit needs to be out, this bit needs to be in.
Yes.
You ready? Am I going to manage it? Go on.
Yes.
That one is... And that one is, okay, we should be good. There we go. So yeah, your central piece goes over and then these little pieces stack into each other to build up your stack, basically.
Yes.
So.
The other one we made for packaging was just, because we've only got the 1 set of patterns, we tend to do the second one then in pattern papers. So I used
Whimsy Meadow.
Shabby
Shabby?
Shabby Meadow.
Okay, I'm not seeing any shabbying. Oh, there's a bit there.
There's my shabby.
Tiny bit on the top here. This is how you can tell. But yeah, I love that. The colour combo as well.
Yes.
Pink and navy. Very, very classy.
Beautiful.
Love it.
I love that paper pad. So I thought that was a nice one to use.
We've got some samples in from our design team as well. So
Yes, we do.
this set over here is from Chablis. Now I love this. She's made like a little ombre set.
Yes.
And I always love when you've got things that you can stack up like this. Remember the beehive that had different layers, and we ombra'd that as well.
We did.
It's a lovely thing to do, and I think it just gives it that little bit more interest as well. So going from, let's say we've got French blue, cornflower, and then Arctic. No.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
French cornflower Arctic.
Exactly. Going up here, and then you've got that little lid with a beautiful silver mirror card as
but
well.
I love that she's used the deboss
Yeah.
on the little legs.
So you've got that going down there. And she's also done with this a little matching card as well. So using the same 3 colours, a little Father's Day card.
Very nice.
Coming up this weekend, just in case
It
you've
is.
forgotten.
It is.
So a lovely way to use some of those layers, but for a card as well.
Very
So that's just the
nice.
deboss that goes around the lid, basically. There you go. It's that panel, but that way.
Yep.
Really lovely. I like a little set like that.
Me
Matching
too.
cards and gift boxes.
So I've got this one from Christine. And Christine has made a little set of 4 of the boxes.
Also using Shabby Meadow.
Shabby Meadow, we were in tune that time.
Yes, clearly.
Christine.
I love the fact that she's inked, if I do it this way, you can hopefully see
yes.
all up here. She's actually inked the edges of the cardstock and the lid to really bring out that deboss detail around there as well, which I absolutely love. But very, very pretty.
That's a really lovely one, isn't it?
Very, very cute. But of course you don't have to go all out like this.
No.
You can also make simpler boxes too if you need a simple and quick little gift box. So from Ruth you have these 2 little simple sets. This one again, this is our lovely mulberry wine paper on this one. We've just got that all the way around the edge, and then we've got a lovely little patterned one. Now which mirror is this? It's the one that we don't often use.
It's the
Magnificent Magenta, I think.
Something like that.
Hopefully, I don't know if you can actually see the colour of that. The lights are reflecting off that oddly from where I can see. But yes, a lovely hot pink mirror card basically on some lovely cream cards. So you can keep them simpler.
You can.
And you don't have to stack them. I think they look really lovely as a single as well.
Box.
Because they've got that extra little bit of you know, the fluting down here, the little feet. I think it gives it a little bit of extra interest.
Yes, indeed.
Very, very cute.
Yeah. So this is available on our website now. If you do have any questions or any comments about this, if you've got any ideas, what you want to put in them.
What are you going to put in each layer of your stack? I want to know.
I want M&Ms.
Yeah, or
M&Ms.
Skittles.
M&Ms and
You have
Skittles.
different flavours of M&Ms in each layer.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, the peanut butter ones and then the cookie dough ones. Oh,
the brownie ones.
yes. Let's do that.
It's lunchtime.
I'm feeling quite hungry actually. Yeah, if you've got any ideas you'd like to share with everyone, just pop those in the comments below. And of course, if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you do get your TCK discount on this as well. You can pay in installments on our website. If you do fill your basket just a little bit too much, you can pay in installments with ClearPay, ShopPay, PayPal. I'm sure there's something that will be applicable for you. But the most important thing, the one we say all the time, every video, you're sick of it. Tag us in your makes. We do love to see what you're making. We do say it every time, I know, but it is the truth. We love to see it. We love to show them off as well. So if you did want to tune in to our Weekender show on a Friday, you could see your makes on there. You can find us across social media. We are at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag ShowTonic to show us your makes. If you do like this type of video, if you can give us a cheeky little thumbs up, and you could subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, ding, and we will be there live for you like magic when we do go live, or you will be notified when we do upload a video as well. I think that is it for us today. Thank you so much for joining us. It's always a pleasure to have you in the basement with us. Happy crafting!